Kelvin.
Good morning.
Oh, you were waiting for when I was going to start recording, weren't you?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is Kelvin's last day working for us until he comes back. Many of you may not know, even though I've mentioned it several times, that Kelvin is in the armed services, and he's been called to active duty starting tomorrow. So I'd like to thank him for his sacrifice to our great country and pray that he comes back safe and sound. Well, he's already not mentally sound, but hopefully comes back physically sound.
This guy says he's not mentally.
He's not mentally sound. But I gotta tell you something. If I saw Kelvin driving around in a Humvee, I may start rolling on the floor laughing. Because you know he's farting the whole time, blowing it up in there.
Oh, you already know.
You already know.
I'm gonna be the one causing another pandemic, man.
Well, this morning we're at this house. We have two HVAC systems here, central air and heating. This is a hydronic coil coming from a boiler, and this is the air handler. Inside the air handler, you have your evaporator coil right there for air conditioning. This is the return duct to the return filter grill. Here's the other unit. This is a ream. I think this is an ADP. Yep, it's an ADP. And so this ream air handler here, perfect. We got a 110 volt outlet box right on top of it. So we'll mount our UV system on that one there. And on this one, we'll probably put it right around there. So stay tuned. We'll take some video as we're doing this to show you step by step how we do it. Stay tuned. But one of the first things I do is I take the sticker that comes with the Field Controls Healthy Home UV Purification Light System and I mount it on the return duct, or where I'm going to put the ballast, the mounting plate, and the ballast assembly and the bulb. So I got a nice good spot right there. We're going to drill a viewport hole right there, and then we're going to drill out this 1.5 inch diameter hole there as well. And there you have it. Pretty simple. Sorry I skipped a couple parts of this, but had the outlet right there, made the wiring nice and neat. But on the next one, we'll do step by step. So we have to add this outlet right here to plug in the UV light transformer. And if you remembered from Friday's video of last week, Kelvin took about 2.5 minutes before he realized that, oh, let's check what the manual comes with in the box. It comes with these spade terminals.
Oh my god.
So, unlike last Friday, damn, look. Damn, you fucked up, didn't you? Yeah. I got him under pressure. Look at this.
No, you don't.
He's under pressure.
I'm not under pressure.
He crimped it and it fell out. He's under pressure.
I'm not under pressure. See, I got it. Oh crap! What the hell?
So you got it.
Yeah, it is. It's fine. It's there.
Let's see.
It's there.
Oh. Oh yeah? You got it, huh? You totally fucking missed it.
Oh wow.
What the fuck? Go get another one from the truck. Damn. The other box come with one? Psst. Man, he goes to Lincoln Tech, by the way, and I don't know what they're teaching their students down how to crimp wire, but all fugazi and shit, you know? Look at this guy. He can't even.
Missed it.
Under
I
pressure.
Missed it.
And he missed it twice.
What are you talking about? The other one's on there?
I don't know. Well, yeah, that's because you crimped that one in the right spot. No!
Damn.
No! He's going to the truck. Let's see how long he's gone for. Let's see what time it is right now. Oh, look at Aaliyah. Oh, Aaliyah, it's 8:19. Kelvin's going to the truck. Say, hi, Aaliyah. I think he's coming back. It's been a while. It is 8:23. He's back. It only took him 4 minutes. Let's see if he does it right this time. He brought two, just in case he fucked up. Aaliyah, does he like make this kind of noises at home? Like,
Fucking guy, man.
Now let's see if he crimps in the right spot this time. He's the crimper. Where's the crimper? There's the crimper. Klein, by the way. Shout out to Klein Tools. Make great electrical hand tools. Did he do it?
Yeah.
He did it! He did it! Now he's just gonna connect it to the transformer. And we'll plug in this bad boy. So is Aaliyah gonna miss you when you leave tomorrow or today? When are you leaving? Tonight? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. Is she
Yeah.
gonna miss you? You gonna go say goodbye to her tonight? Or is she sleeping over?
Probably.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Nice.
probably.
Well, you can still use your phone, right? It's not like
Yeah.
you're like
Yeah.
like in boot camp or something where you have no phone, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So you'll be all right. Yeah.
Oh yeah, your son's in it, right?
He's in the U.S. Air Force boot camp in Texas, Lackland, Texas.
I wonder how that's turning out.
Well, I got a letter from him yesterday, and he calls it the virus, this virus thing. So, because I know they don't have a phone to use there, but in boot camp, it's coming. You gotta take that middle screw out. That screw, because we have the screw there. And I'll plug it in. Bzz. And voila, and we have light. Guys, I'm not saying this is a solution or cure for coronavirus, but ultraviolet light radiation is known to kill germs, viruses, mold, fungi, all that crazy organic shit. And there's a reason why you're not supposed to be looking at a UV light, because your eyes are organic. It'll also kill your eyes. And you should not be using this on your hands, or your body to try to kill viruses that are on you. But it's a good idea to have it in your ductwork to kill anything organic that's flying around in your house or your office's air. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone be well, be safe. And I don't know when our next video will be, but as of today, Tuesday, March 17th, happy St. Patrick's Day. We are open, business as normal. And tomorrow will be less Kelvin. So, Kelvin, thank you for your service in advance.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.
Yes, sir.